Hello and welcome everyone. Let me walk you through our edit artwork feature today. Have you ever wanted to make changes to the artwork that was ordered by a client? How many times have your clients connected to you asking to make changes in ordered artwork? How much of your time was wasted because you had to ask a client to make the changes? All that to make some minor changes, like spelling mistake correction or color change of an element. Now, don't waste time asking your client to make changes and place a new order. With the Artwork Edit feature, you can edit the artwork they already ordered and send it back to them for approval with only a few clicks. Let's see how it works. As you see, once you go to your job management panel in our web to print admin panel, you'll get a consolidated list of all your jobs from all your stores. Select the job in which you want to edit the artwork. Here you'll find many options, including the Edit Artwork option. To edit pre-ordered artwork, click on the given option and it will open in the Design In by Design Studio. Using our easy-to-use design tool, make the required changes promptly and select from the options given here. You can send this file for approval to the client or you can save it for later. Also, in case of need, you can revert the artwork to the original file with just one click. Once sent for approval, clients will see the changes right away in their messages section. From here, clients have the option to approve artwork or reject edited artwork right away. They can also send a reply back with their feedback. No more waiting for them to get back to you about whether or not they like it. Whatever message the client passes, you will be able to see it here on your admin panel and will be able to easily communicate. How useful is this feature to you? Let us know in the comments. Please follow, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.